What's going on, guys? Archoke Dip 99 here. Today, my Bedford wall clock has just arrived. And it's very beautiful. I don't think I've seen any videos on it. Like, on YouTube, I've looked. Wait a second. Oh crap, the pendulum's backwards. Okay, I just got this thing and I put on the pendulum backwards, so that's a great way to start the video. Anyways. Brand new. So now I have like 3 clocks in here. I have this. I have the quartz sharp, and then I have that. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Archoke Dip 99 signing off.